Oh, is that going to be a coin? Please be a coin. Can't get in. Right then, out with a Peaky Finders Sunday dig. We're down in the outskirts of Appledore. I'm out with a Manticore with the M9 coil. My wife is over there, she's using the Knox 800. And everyone else is up there. My wife wanted to start down this end of the field so we can work our way back towards the van rather than working away from it. So enjoy and see you at the first hole. Alright, first hole, 44, 46. It's a bit of a oval shape, so it could be lead. Nearly done myself a mischief then. Right, just a bit of can, as in the lid by the looks of that. Yeah, just a bit of lid. I'll see if there's any. Yeah, there's the other bit. In fact, that's the glass from it. I've possibly got two targets. I've got 12, 13, 14 and a 14, 15, 16. Let's try this one first. Right, this one's out. And we have a shotty end. So that's the first one. So I would anticipate the second one's going to be a shotty end as well. Let's just put this back a little bit more neater. We'll stamp that down. So I'll just excuse my wife's comment then, if you heard it.
One will edit that out, won't one?
I'm anticipating this will be a shotty end as well. No, a bit of shot instead. A little bit of lead shot instead. There you go. Yeah, another bit of shrapnel. That's how hard the ground is. A bit of shrapnel. There you go. .33, 34, 35, perfect circle on the line. I've had a schoolboy error, although it doesn't really matter if you're in beach mode. But I've just done an hour walking around in beach mode. That'll teach me not to check my settings. As I was down the beach the other day, just doing some tests. But never mind. It doesn't really matter. You can still use beach mode on the land, but I prefer to use land settings. But never mind. I don't know if I can break that open. Oh. And I don't have no issues with owning up if I made mistakes. Oh, oh, it's a bullet this time. We've got a 303 bullet. There you go. There it is there. Another bullet. I don't mind a bullet all day long. There's a lot of people that don't like them, but I don't mind them at all. It's nice and soft ground here, under the, well, right down anyway. That's a ring thing. I don't think it's a ring, proper ring. I think it's something else. A washer of some sort. The depth of that, it's about 8 inches down. So yeah. There you go. Alright, I've turned you on. I don't know if it's a coin or whether it's a button, but we're going to see it together. I think it's going to be a button. Oh, it's a button. It's a button. That was coming up as a 38, so a pewter button, and still has a shank on the back. There you go. It's got no detailing on it, but it's a perfectly good pewter button. There you go. I'm going to go for the rubbish, but let's see. Did it fall out? No. So yeah, bit of lead shot.
Oh, I don't like that yet.
Just a little bit of lead shot. So that's 2 bits of that I've had today. It's an odd shape on the line. And more shrapnel. Blimey, never found so much shrapnel, I don't think. Odd shape, yeah, that's an odd shape. Never mind. I don't think it's going to be anything important. No. 20mm casing, or what's left of it. Yeah. Just a 20mm casing. Right, we're getting smaller. Oh, here we go. What have we got here? Ah, is that a button? Yeah, it's a button. It's a button. Still got his shank on there, by the looks of that. Yeah, it's definitely a shank. There we got a button. Right, we all know Dave. Say hello, Dave. He's just come over to me, and it looks like he's found a pot. It's a pot leg, isn't it?
Pot leg, yeah.
Yeah, that looks all right. And you found that in the long grass.
Yeah.
There's the long grass. LGD. Long grass detecting. Yeah, so well done. He got himself a nice little button.
That was a farthing.
And he got a farthing just after I said, let's go in there a little bit of ploughed.
Yeah.
He got a nice little farthing there as well. I think it's a
the
1920s, isn't it, that one?
Yeah.
And a nice pattern on a pewter button. Well done.
Cheers.
Better than everyone else.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's getting small. Bloody pellet. Air rifle pellet. That's when you know your detector's working. Oh, is that going to be a coin? Please be a coin. Can't get in. No. Bit of shrapnel. Just a bit of shrapnel. Signal there. You've also got a little bit in the hole as well, so let's see what we got. Or was it just in here? Oh no, there's nothing in there. Yay! Finally got a coin. It's completely blank. completely blank, but a coin is a coin. I will give it a bit of spritz. Yeah, it's a halfpenny of some sort. Completely blank. So ZZ Top say, it's a King David. I don't know, we might be able to get something off of that, to be fair. Have a look at it under the microscope. But I very much doubt it.
Worth the thistles.
Yes, lots of thistles around. So my undercrackers are a bit sore. But there you go. One coin near the end of the day. Hurrah.